two Resilient Sounds Team 18s on an American bass, 1100.1. Okay. And 128 amp hours of lithium headway.
Wow. What is your like your frequencies on this?
So the rear is tuned to just over 23, and the front is just over 46.
46. Okay. Octave above each other. Looks really good.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Wow. And it's only two 18s on this huge enclosure.
Yeah.
Doing a lot of wind.
Yeah. Yep.
Good motor force, man. That's pretty good.
Man.
Yeah, man. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Oh, did you build this? This looks good.
Just got done with it, yeah, like literally just a couple weeks ago.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I like, man, that's some fab work right there.
It is. It took a little while.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit.
Very nice.
Mike Jackson, 10 megahertz. Yeah, all the music is 55.
55, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I'm very pleased with it, man. It's turned out very nice.
Yeah, man, just doing video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Be sure to give Mike a like and comment what you like about his system. Very clean install for a dual subwoofer system. Definitely a top 5 for windiest dual subwoofer systems I've ever heard. And it's a really big box. I went up and looked the specs. This is the 5,000 watt RMS conservatively rated 18-inch subwoofer. Really powerful, beefy subwoofer. And of course, he's got a 6th order with a nice low back tuning port. There is a actual ported section on the bottom underneath of this subs as well, with the subs inverted. I didn't get the specs of the enclosure, but it looks like a huge enclosure, probably over 40 cubes for just a double sub system. And of course, it is two 18-inch subs. It ain't like two 12s or 15s. A lot of cone area still for two 18s. And this amplifier is definitely a monster. It's really big, pretty much the length of the vehicle. I like the way he wired his wires to the back panel of his wall, so he's able to tweak it to whatever impedance he wants to wire to. And nice clean install. That's a good idea anybody's wanting to use to run your ground and power wires to your amplifier. Big lithium bank to support this as well. Definitely playing down into the mid-teen frequencies during this demo. We're about to get to the demo now. I hope you're enjoying the video. Be sure to comment, let him know what you like about his system. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos on my channel, JacobViral, and enjoy the demo.
I'll let you control the windows. Yeah, man.
Making daddy strength. This is DJ Rusticals.
build, man. You built low end, but you still don't fall off on the highs.
Yeah, it's not bad, man.
And probably mid-50s easy on music.
Yeah, well, on music it's 55.
55s, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I'm very pleased with it, man. It's turned out very nice.
Yeah, nice job. Good job. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it, man. Stay cool.
Yeah, man.
You have a good day, man. Thank you.